Hi everyone, welcome to Algebra and Geometry Explained. Today we're going to learn the difference between rational and irrational numbers. Let's make it super simple. First, rational numbers. A rational number is any number that can be written as a fraction. That means one number over another, like 1/2. Examples of rational numbers are 1/2, 0.75, 3, -5, 0.3 repeating. These can be written as a fraction. For example, 3 is 3 over 1. -5 is -5 over 1. 0.75 is 3 over 4. 0.3 repeating is 1/3. If the number ends or repeats, it's rational. Now, irrational numbers. Irrational numbers cannot be written as a simple fraction. They go on forever and never repeat. Examples of irrational numbers are pi, the square root of 2, and weird numbers like 1.010010001, and so on. You can't write any of those as fractions. That's why they are irrational. Let's play a quick game. I'll say a number, and you guess if it's rational or irrational. 0.5, rational. The square root of 9, rational, because the square root of 9 is 3. Pi, irrational. $2.7, rational. 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and it never ends. Irrational. Now let's answer this question. Why are natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers all rational? Because we can write them as fractions. 3 is 3 over 1. 0 is 0 over 1. -5 is -5 over 1. All of these are rational numbers. Let's review. If a number can be written as a fraction, it's rational. If it never ends and never repeats, it's irrational. Thanks for watching Algebra and Geometry Explained. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.